Okay, now it's recording. Hi, guys.
Hi.
What did you want for Christmas more than anything in the whole world?
A dog.
Did you get it?
No.
Oh.
You don't think so?
Oh man. Santa dropped this off too. By me. I slept on.
It's a dog. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if it's a dog.
Yes, I know it. It's a dog. Oh, it's so cute. Snickers. Oh, it's a boy and a girl.
Oh no, there's a paper on the box.
I don't know anything.
Sean, what does it say? Take it out, Katie.
December 25th.
Hold him. Let him.
Dear Sean, Caitlin, Ryan, and Molly, I want to introduce your new dog. She is a great dog. It's a girl. She is a great
We
dog,
have to name her Snickers.
and I hope you love her. Her name is Snickers.
You told Santa. That's
And
okay.
She is a Matipoo.
Matipoo.
I think it poops.
Look at me.
Means she is half.
Maltese and half poodle.
She was looking at me.
Her birthday
Oh,
is
it's just
October
it's
7th.
that poodle. So
Guys, I'm
big.
saying her birthday. Her birthday is
What's her birthday?
October 7th, 2008. She is still just a puppy. So please be really sweet and gentle with her. She likes to sit on laps and be protected.
Petted? Protected or petted?
Petted.
She gave me a lot of presents, and we got a dog. Can't believe it.
Petted. She also likes to play with Miss her
And where's my hockey
I will
talkie?
miss her.
You're gonna
And
get to it.
so all the elves and the North Pole, but I knew she was the perfect.
Yay!
Merry Christmas.
Aw.
She doesn't know.
Whoa, how beautiful. Oh, I love how Santa writes his
She's
name.
wagging his. She's wagging her tail. Snickers.
Mom is happy.
Snickers.
Oh.
Molly
Can I show Molly?
No.
No, it's
Let her
only like
sleep.
She kind
What? You haven't even held her
of
yet.
nibbles.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
Whoa, that was so cool.
But it doesn't